how to make money online from Papua New Guinea. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to make money online from Papua New Guinea. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see here, Papua New Guinea has thousands of unemployed people, but there are great opportunities to make money online. The best way to get started is through freelancing. So I recommend using Fiverr. It's a marketplace where you can sell services to business owners and buyers without any investment or capital. You can offer social media services, design graphics on Canva, write content, edit, or even provide user testing. Then remember, Fiverr is an excellent platform to showcase your skills and start earning money. I would highly suggest giving it a try. So that's basically how you can make money online from Papua New Guinea. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.